Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily unfriend all of your friends on Facebook quickly and all in one place. So let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store. Let's make sure you have the Facebook app updated, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to run smoothly. Now let's quit the store and open the Facebook app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account. And then let's go to the menu by tapping the three lines in the bottom right corner or top right corner of the screen, depends on what phone you have. Here you need to go to settings. So to go to settings, you can tap on the gear icon in the top right, or you tap on settings and privacy, you get this menu. You tap on settings at the very top. Now within settings, we need to scroll down until you find something that says activity log. Now you can go to it from here, or for some reason if you can't find it here or you want a shortcut, you can quit and go back to your profile, and then you tap on the three dots and then tap on activity log. You should find it right here. Within activity log, find connections, tap on it to expand it, and then tap on manage friends. That should be right under friends. Here you'll find basically all of the activity logs that are about your friends, the adding, the removing, and if you want to filter them out to only the friends, you tap on filters in the top and then tap on categories, and then just tap on friends or your friends basically. Here you can even narrow down the search. If you want to remove friends you made in one period, you can tap on that filter button and tap on date, and then start or choose the start date and end date. Now from here, some people in their accounts might find an option to delete all the accounts at once. The delete all option, basically, if you don't have it, you can just tap on the three dots right next to every profile and tap on delete or remove friend, just like that. If you want to see the ones you have removed already, you tap on the filter again, tap on categories, and then tap on removed friends, and you find the friends that you have ever removed right here. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.